Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove T-Mobile service from your mobile phone, whether you're switching carriers or just want to deactivate your line. If you're trying to stop T-Mobile service or switch to another carrier, it's common to run into confusion about the steps, account requirements, or SIM deactivation. You might see that your phone still shows T-Mobile as active or calls and data continue working even after requesting removal. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the correct steps to fully remove T-Mobile from your mobile safely and without losing your number if you plan to port it. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Backup important data. Before removing T-Mobile, make sure to back up contacts, messages, and any important data. Removing service may reset network settings or erase carrier-specific features. Step 2. Decide if you're porting your number. If you want to keep your number with a new carrier, you must request a number transfer, port out, before canceling T-Mobile. Canceling first may make your number unavailable for the new carrier. Step 3. Contact T-Mobile customer support. Call 611 from your T-Mobile phone or use the app's chat feature. Request to cancel service or remove the line and confirm whether you're porting your number. They may ask for account verification, so have your account info ready. Step 4. Remove the SIM card or eSIM. Physically remove the T-Mobile SIM card from your phone. If your device uses an eSIM, go to your phone's settings and delete the T-Mobile eSIM profile. Step 5. Reset network settings. Optional but recommended. On your phone, go to Settings, then General, then Reset, Reset Network Settings, iPhone, or Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth, Android. This ensures the device forgets T-Mobile network configurations. Step 6. Test with a new SIM or eSIM carrier. Insert your new SIM or eSIM and check that calls, texts, and data are working properly. If everything works, T-Mobile service is fully removed. And that's it. Your T-Mobile service should now be fully removed from your mobile. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe from your quick carrier tutorials.